Are you having difficulty understanding your hotel's financial results or what is known as business performance? But understanding hotel's business performance is one of the critical skills required for a hotel manager. Let me ask you a question. Would you know where to look if, say, your revenue is up in a particular month, but profit is down? It is one of the most common financial analysis required of hotel middle managers. Are you ready for it? But most hotel middle managers are unable to interpret financial statements. You could say that business performance is the link to a hotel manager's professional success. But why are hotel managers not financially literate? Financial literacy begins with the ability to understand and interpret financial statements. Financial literacy also means by being literate financially, you are able to take financial decisions which are sound and end up in success. Now, financial literacy results in a consistent business performance, which finally leads to professional success. You would want that, wouldn't you? Now, because of that as well, your career promotion opportunities, or any kind of opportunities for that matter, get a real boost. And on top of all that, your peers begin to respect you and your business savvy. That's something you would definitely want, right? Now, you may have a question. Why me? What is my qualification for making this video? Well, I spent 26 years in the hotel industry in senior finance and leadership roles. I have first-hand experience of numerous profit and loss and other financial exercises. Over and above that, I've personally trained senior hotel managers to become financially literate and successful professionals. I will show you how you too can become financially literate quite easily. Don't believe me? I will show you a technique that is going to be the envy of your peers. It is going to be a simple but a secret system that your peers may not know about, so you have a head start on them. And of course, they will avoid those embarrassing moments when you are not able to understand financial statements or when you are not financially literate. Financial literacy is about understanding and making use of your financial skills and doing that effectively. Now, the complete financial learning ecosystem is a continuous learning journey, as we saw, but to financial literacy. Your ultimate goal is being financially literate. Let's see how. This continuous learning journey to financial literacy has three pillars to them. Number one, the foundation. Number two, the function. And number three, not surprisingly, skills development. We need to go behind the scenes and give you a little bit of backstory. Let's look at this backstory. As of today, Financial Skills Academy, as the ultimate learning hub for hotel finance training, offers a couple of key online courses on financial statements. Now, these courses are where you get answers to your most difficult problems. And by doing that, you acquire analytical skills, which you then connect with and for taking powerful financial decisions, ultimately delivering consistent financial results. But something is changing. What do I mean by that? What I call a quiet reincarnation is happening. How's that? Well, Financial Skills Academy is moving from the ultimate learning hub to a complete financial learning ecosystem with something exclusive. And that is that plus that you see added to the Financial Skills Academy organization. What will that do? Well, Financial Skills Academy Plus will transform you into a complete financially literate hotel middle manager ready to take on the challenges of the operation. And how do we do that? Let's see how we do that. Financial Skills Academy Plus will offer you, of course, courses as we have done before, but courses with a difference, which we'll explain in another video. You will have access to guides, which will make your learning towards financial literacy that much easier. You can watch concept videos, short bite-sized videos. You can download important templates and spreadsheets and check out stuff yourself. You can listen to podcasts on your smartphone. You can visually understand concepts with infographics, and of course, other premium content. In short, you will have a complete ecosystem all under one roof. And then, of course, comes that exclusive plus benefit for you. The complete financial learning ecosystem is the membership version where you will get a premium plus pass, which we will explain in another video. You will have access to a exclusive community of like-minded business professionals. You will have premium ultimate guides, which are deep dives into topics related to your hotel operation and relevant to hotel middle managers. You will have one-on-one coaching through member masterclasses. And of course, you will have a newsletter dedicated to members. Finally, you will have other premium courses, content, videos, which are part of the ecosystem. Are you ready to try this out? Well, sign up in advance and click on the free trial link so that you can be signed in when the program launches. What's the big deal with that? Well, you're going to be eligible for huge introductory discounts which are only available within a window and will not be available to the general public. So sign up in advance for something that is an investment in your future.